नमस्ते, राम स्वरूप जोशी, lecturer mathematics, Government Model School Asind, is present here with fourth lesson on chapter linear inequalities. Today we shall discuss solution of system of linear inequalities with two variables using graphical method or using graph. In last lesson we discussed the procedure how we can plot graph of any linear inequality, and we decide the area of solution or region of solution. What will be our procedure? I am taking question number 3rd from exercise 6.3. These are the two given inequalities. Our procedure will be, first we will draw line for these two inequations or changing them into equation. Then we will decide the region of solution for each inequation, and after that the common area will be the solution of system. So first of all we have to plot 2x plus y equal to 6, and then 3x plus 4y is less than equal to 12 on graph paper, changing them into equations. Here the related equations are 2x plus y equal to 6. Now what will be the graph of this line? We have to plot on this Cartesian plane. So I have told you one way. In last lesson we can change this equation in intercept form. If the coefficients of x and y divides this constant, 2 divides 6 and 1 divides 6. So we can change this equation in this form, 2x plus y equal to 6 by dividing each term by 6, in the form of x upon a plus y upon b equal to 1. There a0 and 0b are 2 points on x-axis and y-axis respectively, where the line meets them. Here the points will be found from this equation. This will be x by 3 plus y by 6 equal to 1. So the point of intersection will be 3, 0 on x-axis and 0, 6 on y-axis. Say this is 1, 2 and 3. And on this axis, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You must use a graph paper. Now where is 3, 0? This is here, 3, 0. And 0, 6, it will be on y-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 0, 6. Join these 2 points. We will obtain a line. Each point on the line will be solution of this equation. and its two solutions are 30 and 06. You can find them in another way. The equation is 2x plus y equal to 6. Here we can find value of y easily because the coefficient of y is 1 here. So y can be obtained by changing this equation as 6 minus 2x. Now take value of x 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can easily be plotted on graph paper because our standard graph paper is 16 centimeters in horizontal, along horizontal side, and on vertical side it may contain 20 to 22 centimeters. So we must keep that in mind. Now put x equal to 0. So y will be 6 minus 2 into 0, that is 6 minus 0, that is 6. So 0, 6 is our solution we have already considered here. X equal to 1, then y equal to 6 minus 2 into 1, that is 6 minus 2 equal to 4. This will be another solution. Similarly, x equal to 2 will give us 2 minus 2, 2 into 2, that is 6 minus 4, it is 2. And x equal to 3, y equal to 6 into 2, minus 2 into 3, that is 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So you can obtain minimum 2 points or 3 or 4 points. You can verify by this line that all these points 0, 6, 1, 4, 2, 2 and 3, 0 lies in the same line. If we join these 2 points, all remaining points will be on this line. This is the way to draw a graph. Now here put 0, 0 in inequality. Then 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. We get or obtain 2 into 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 6, or 2, 0 plus 0, that is 0, is greater than 6. We are taking only any equation. We have to leave equation because for equation this line will be, the points on line will be the solution. Is it correct? 0 is greater than 6. Statement is false. False. So the solution will be half plane in which zero zero does not lie. The plane will be this. This will be the solution. We can write arrows to understand here. This will be the solution of this equation 2x plus y is greater than 6. And on this line 2x plus y equal to 6. Now what about the second equation? Here the first equation, we can say first equation related first equation. Also, second equation will be 3x plus 4y equal to 12, less than equal to 12. So we will write only equation 4y equal to 12, and we will use similar manner 3x plus 4y equal to 12 and divide all the terms by 12. We will get, here it is 1, here it is x upon 4 plus y upon 3. So the points on the line will be and its two solutions are 4 0 on x axis and 0 3. We can obtain them if we put y equal to 0, x upon 4 is 1, that is x equal to 4. And if we put x equal to 0, then we get value of y, that is 3. So the points are 4 0 on x axis and 0 3 on y axis, where the line intersects these axes. So 4 0, this is 4 0. And second is 0 3, 1 2 3. This is 0 3. Draw line. This is the line. Write the equation. This is for 2x plus y equal to 6, and this is for 3x plus 4y equal to 12. Now, which area, which half plane will be the solution region? If we put 0 0 in this equation, less than 12. Then the statement is correct. True. So the solution will be is half plane containing 0 0. It means this half plane, the half plane towards the downward side, lower half will be the solution region. Here it will be in this part. So this whole area and this line will be the solution of this inequation. 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 6. And this line as well as the plane, lower half plane will be the solution. What is the intersection of these two? This will be common solution, and it is the solution of the system of lines. So above this and below this is the solution region. Above this line, this whole region, this whole, and below this line, here. What is common in these two? This area, this whole area. this whole area, and the area common in these two, this below this line. So this is the area which is common to both. So this whole area will be the solution of this system. Now we take question number 14 of the same exercise. We are given 3 inequations and then 2 inequations for non-negativity of x and y. So I am taking these 3 inequalities first. Related equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 150, and here it is x plus 4y equal to 80, and here it is x equal to 15. There is no need to find solution of this equation. X is always 15 and we can vary the value of y. The line will be parallel to y axis. Now find 2 solutions of these equations by the help of solutions. We can draw the graph of these equations. So we can change this 3x plus 2y equal to 150. This can be written as intercept form by dividing all by 150. This will be x upon divide 150 by 3, it will be 50. By 2, it will be 75 equal to 1. And this will be x upon 80 plus y upon 20 equal to 1. Here the points will be 50, 0 and 0, 75. It is 80, 0 and 0, 20. This will be on x-axis, again this will be on x-axis, y-axis on and on y-axis. So we can draw 2 lines and x equal to 15 can be drawn easily. What is the maximum value of x and y coordinates? This is 50, 0, 0, 75, 80, 0, 20. So 80 is the maximum on x-axis and y-axis it is 75. So take a scale, choose a scale on which we can present this. All the coordinates are divisible by 5. So we can take 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Here I need 16. So I am readjusting the scale. Say this is 20, 40, 60 and 80. This is here 20, 40, 60 and 80. And this is 100. Now plot this line 50, 0. This will be 50, 0. So this is a point 50, 0. Now second point on this line is 0, 75. This is 0, 20, 60, 75 is something here. Join these 2 points. And it is solution of 50, 0. This is 50, 0. And this is 0, 75. Term this line as first line and equation for this is 3x plus 2y equal to 150. Now the solution area. Here put 0, 0. 3x plus 2y is less than 150. Put 0, 0. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0, that is 0 is less than 155. And here if we put 0, 0, we will get x plus 4y is less than 80. And if we put 0, 0, it will be 0 plus 4 into 0, that is 0 is less than 80. Statements are correct. False. Statement is true because 0 is less than 150. True. And here also true. So what will be the area of solution? I have forgotten to plot the graph for this. Say this is 80, 0. This is 80 and 0. 80, 0. We can write it here 50 and 0. This is the first point here. And second point will be 0, 20. This is 0 and 20. Join these 2 points. We will obtain the graph of equation. And the equation is x plus 4y equal to 80. The lower half containing solution region half plane containing origin, that is lower. And here also the same condition. So the solution area will be this plane below this line, and here also below this line. So we have found the solution region for these two inequations, the line, the points on line as well as lower half plane. And then for this line also each point on the line and lower half plane. The common area is this much. But we have another equation, x equal to 15. So where is x equal to 15? It is here. This is x equal to 15, say, here. So draw a line parallel to this. X equal to 15. This is x equal to 15. Put here x equal to 0. And it will not meet y-axis. It will be parallel to y-axis. 15, 0. It passes through 15, 0. We can take any point also as coordinate, y coordinate. Now, if we put x is less than 15 is the inequation. If we put here 0, 0 is less than 15. It means it is also true. So, same will be the case. And here the solution will be left half plane. Because the line is parallel to y-axis, so here we will use right half plane and left half plane. Left half plane contains origin, so this region will be the solution in this. This is the region. So lower half plane plus this line, lower half plane plus this line, and left half plane. And what about this non-negative conditions, non-negativity conditions. Y is greater than 0, X is greater than 0. Y is greater than 0, here it will be Y is greater than 0. For this, above this line, Y will be greater than 0, and right to this Y axis, X will be greater than 0. So the common area will be this much, only this area. This is the area of solution. We can use alphabets to point, give the points here. Say this is AB, this is CD, this is EF, say, and x-axis and y-axis is already there. So this is the region of solution. So I have written it in a tabular form. You can present the solution, or you can write the solution in different manner, whatever you consider it easier or suitable. Now we are going to take another problem for solution. This is question number 11 from our exercise 6.3. We have to find solution of these three inequalities. This is different because this is of different type, because here we have no condition or constraint of non-negativity. X is greater than or equal to 0 or Y is greater than or equal to 0. So by our traditional method, first of all, I have written related equations for these three inequalities. Equation for this will be 2x plus y equal to 4, x plus y equal to 3, 2x minus 3y equal to 6. Now, as I told you earlier, if it is possible to divide this number C by these coefficients of x and y, then we can write the equation in this form, dividing all terms by 4. It will be x by 2, y by 4 equal to 1. And similarly, we can write these equations as this. Here, we will write the number here as minus 2. Y is kept positive. So the point of intersection on axis will be respectively 2, 0, 0, 4, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, and 0 minus 2. You can find one more point to verify whether the graph of the line is correct or not. It depends upon you. You can use another method to find at least two solutions of these equations. Now, I have plotted graph already here. Graph for this line 2x plus y equal to 4 will be this. This is the graph for 2x plus y equal to 4. Again, I have plotted graph for x plus y equal to 3. This line is for x plus y equal to 3. This line. Each point on this line will represent solution of x plus y equal to 3. The coordinates of each point. Similarly, each point on this line, the coordinate of each point on this line will represent solution of 2x plus y equal to 4. And the third line, which is 2x minus 3y equal to 6, its graph will be like this. Every point on this line will be solution, or coordinates of that point will be solution of this equation. Now, what about the solution region for these inequalities? I am taking first, if I put 0, 0 here, or the coordinates of origin, this statement stands false. It means the solution region will be upper half plane that does not contain origin, or the opposite side to origin will be the region of solution. I am indicating it. This is our line, and so this will be the part opposite to this, because 0 0 is here, so the origin will not lie in solution region, other half plane will be the solution. So in this way, this part, the upper part, sorry, this is the line, upper part will be the solution. Now if I put here 0 0, 0 plus 0 is less than 3, 0 is less than 3, the statement is correct, true. So the half plane containing 0 0 will be the region of solution. This will be the region of solution, this half plane. Again for this, the equation is 2x minus 3y is less than 6. If I put here 0 0, 2 into 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 is less than 6. It means the statement is true. So the half plane containing origin will be the solution region for in equation this 2x minus 3y is less than 6. So this will be the, how we decide it? In equation put 0 0, the statement for first inequality is false, so the plane not containing origin will be the solution region, half plane will be the solution region. Here the statement is true, so the half plane in which the origin lies is the solution region. Again here also the statement is true, because 0 is less than 6, so the half plane in which origin is situated or origin lies is the region of solution. Now we have to find solution of these three inequalities. So the region will be common area. This lower part for the line x plus y equal to 3, the upper half for this line 2x minus 3y equal to 6, and the upper part, upper half plane for 2x plus y is equal to 4. So this will be the region of solution, the common area. This. You can shade it or mark by lines. So in this way we can find solution of given system of linear inequalities with two variables using graphical method. So what is important here? Important point is to find the solution region, the half plane for the given inequation, and in for this that we put the coordinates of origin 0 0 in the equation and decide which part, which half plane will be the solution. So I can write it as conclusion in fifth point, the statement is false, so the half plane of region for solution. This is false, so opposite half plane to the origin in which the or plane not containing 0 0. I can write it half plane not containing origin. Here half plane containing origin. Origin is situated. Right, and here also same this. So this is our answer. You can solve inequations or inequalities in this way by graphical method. The main point is to identify the area of common area of solution. So these lines from here to here, the triangle, the perimeter of triangle, each point on this triangle as well as in this triangle region bounded by this triangle is solution. So what is solution? Say this is LMN. By triangle LMN and its sides. So this is solution where we have shaded it. Thank you.